from YUMIN Primary School.
My name is Guo Chengxi, also from YUMIN Primary School.
This lesson is Calculus, Chapter 6, Definite Integral. For definite integral and indefinite integral. If indefinite integral we cannot find the exact answer, does that mean for definite integral we will not be able to find it?
Nah.
Why?
Only for some cases.
Okay, there are some cases, like for example, 0 all the way to infinity. You
Yes.
still can find that, right? You still might be able to find it.
Yeah, for example, the e to the power of negative x squared.
Okay, do you still remember in last lesson, we used one method to find the area bounded by this curve?
Oh, we use the dy.
Okay, well, this is a curve of x equals x squared and two of its tangential lines.
Okay.
Okay. Remember last time to calculate that gradient, we actually used a shortcut method?
Yeah, now we're going to use the long cut.
So what would the longer way be? What would you think it will be?
You still have to.
So what would you have? So use the 2 to minus, or you want to use the other way?
The other way.
Okay. Okay, minus 2. 4. Right?
Yeah.
Then you're over the x, same way. Well, this is actually what I get, right?
Yeah.
Separate, simplify. Right?
Yep.
So next, do you know how to find that c?
Okay.
You just type in the 2 and 2, right?
Yes.
So is this a c?
Yeah.
So this is for the equation for line AP, right?
Yes.
Then next, we can find the equation for line BP. Remember, BP is actually this line.
Yeah.
So you can use that 6 plus 4 square root 2 to minus the 2, right?
Yes.
Then this will over square root 2.
Yes.
Is it right like this?
Yeah.
Then you also have to find what is C, am I right?
Of course.
wait, this is minus 6. Like this, is it right?
Yeah.
So we found the equations for line AP and line BP. Am I right?
Yes.
Well, remember this time we'll go according to X.
Yep.
So for this, you know how to start off?
So
You know how to start?
So when we start, definitely in the integral, the double integration.
Okay, so this time can we just straight away start with the iterated integration? So you need to write this as X, right?
X. Yep, and okay. So we use the quadratic formula.
So actually for this part we can simplify. So when we continue with this, we can rationalize, which is that numerator and denominator times the 2 plus square root 2.
Okay.
So we can have it like this. And then at this part, so we can remember the denominator is a 2, right?
Yes.
So actually when for this 2 minus a square root 2, we can separate them.
Yep.
Like this.
Yes.
Then after that for BP, is it right like this?
Yeah.
So here same simplify.
Okay.
So what do we have? Same thing. We rationalize, right?
Yeah.
So it will be like this, right?
Yes.
So right now we found the equations for line AP and BP. So can we start finding our area?
Yeah.
So here we'll have dx first, okay?
Yep.
So dx, remember it is from, okay, which side would you want?
So I want the upper part.
Okay, you want this part first. So at this part, it will be from here to here.
Yes, that means from this part to this part.
From here. So we'll use the one for BP. Like this is it, right? Then after that, we already have each of these bars, right?
Okay.
So we can count them up. Is it okay?
Okay.
So it will be from 2 all the way to
6 plus 4 square root 2.
yes. After that, it will plus.
So now for the lower part.
Okay, you mean at this side, right?
Yeah.
So for the x, it will be here to here.
Yes.
So for this part on the y, so it will be from 6 minus
6 minus 4 square root 2 to 2.
okay. Then after that, for this part, so is it like this?
Yeah.
Then at this part, can we integrate?
Yes.
So we can put these together?
Yeah.
Then remember, a square root, it comes from a square y cube, right?
Yeah.
I mean the square root y cube. So this is actually to the power of 3 over 2. So here we need to have a 2 over 3. Right?
Yeah.
Like this. And then after that, okay, we is actually pretty much the same thing. Like this.
Okay.
So for this part, we can sub in both of these, right?
Yeah.
So for this square, it will be a, what do you know? Okay, first is a 36 plus.
So it becomes a 36 plus 16, which
It's actually a 36 plus 32, which makes a 48. Am I right?
okay.
Don't forget to minus the 4 here.
So 44.
Then
Yes. Wait. That should be.
还是说这容易？
Yeah.
So for this part here, right? So the y, we have the 6 plus 4 square root 2, and then you can minus that 2.
Yeah.
Which we guys have something like this.
Something fishy going on. Shouldn't that be 68?
Okay, well, for this 68, but remember the 2 sub in, which we minus the 4. Okay? Get it?
Okay.
Okay. Then after that, this part. Like this.
Yeah.
So we had the 2 square, which is the 4. 4 to minus, okay, this square. Which first, remember, we need to minus this. So we have 36 first. 36, and then you plus a 32, right?
32, yeah.
So which is a 68, right?
68.
Then, for this part, the one with square root 2 will be plus 48 square root 2.
Okay.
Then at this part, so for that y, 2 minus this thing, like this, and then this part. So actually we can put that over 8 in first. Just to group this together, I'll use a bracket. So here we have a 4, and then we have another 4.
Okay.
Which is an 8. So for this, it will be a 4 square root 2, right?
Yeah.
4 over square root 2 is a 2 square root 2. So 2, 4, 6 of them. Am I right?
Yep.
This is for this part. Then after that, minus. Just to tell you for this part, it is actually, okay, let me write it down. So it's actually a 2 plus square root 2. If you don't believe me, you try to square. 4, right? 4 plus a 2, 6, right?
Yeah.
2 of this, 4 square root 2, right?
Okay.
So next, okay, say we have this part. Then after that, here we can plus. So remember, here is actually a negative 64. Same thing, we can put that 8 in. Then we'll plus this. So here is a negative 4. Negative 4 and a negative 4, right?
Negative 4, yeah.
So okay, let's put this as a negative. Actually, yeah. We also can have that.
Yes.
So then it will become a 8 minus, okay, 4, 2, right?
Yeah.
6 of the square root 2.
Yes.
So at this part, it is actually two minus square root 2.
Yes.
So we can move on to this phase, okay?
Yeah.
So at this part, what can we have? Expand, can we?
We definitely could.
Remember here is 16 and then here's a 12, right?
Yup.
Remember that's a minus 12.
Yeah, it's
So
not
here,
plus.
plus 12 of the square root 2, right? Minus 8.
Yeah.
Is it right like that?
Yeah.
Then at this point we don't need that bracket anymore. So at this part we can expand, right?
Yes.
So then for this 12 plus 8. Then we have 6 and an 8. 14 of them.
Yeah.
Minus 2 of it. Then at the part back there, we'll have expansion. Same, right?
Yes.
But for this time, we'll have, okay, a negative 16 plus 12.
Yeah.
Negative 4. Then we have a 12 12 of the square root of 2 minus 8. So it's like this, right?
Okay.
And then after that, we're going to come down to this part. So it's a minus 8 plus 6 square root 2. Then here also expand. So 12, and then you need to plus 8. Minus 20, right? Then after that, minus 6 minus 8. Is it like this?
Okay.
So no more back? Is there? So these two cancel. These two cancel.
Combine.
Okay, these combine, right? So this will be a 10, 10,
Plus.
right?
Plus.
Wait, which part are you saying? So here minus 2 over 3 times 20, right? So actually the 20 also can be simplified.
There should be a plus.
Wait, let me see. So for that, oh yes, negative, negative, right?
Let's not keep on saying it.
Okay. So for this, it will be a 16 square root 2, right?
Yeah.
So at this part is actually a plus 12 of them. Am I right?
Yeah.
12.
Negative minus 2 over 3 bracket.
So this part is so here when we add them together it's actually 28 square root 2.
Okay.
And we're getting our answer.
Yeah. So even though we use so much,
And there we get our answer.
yeah, even though we use so much steps, and this is how we solve the question.
Okay, you can stand out, you don't need to be down there. So you see, actually, did you realize that for the x it's actually more complicated?
Yeah.
But either ways, for both methods, they're actually all complicated, right?
But not that hard.
Yes, correct. They're not that hard. Okay?
Okay.
It's just that if you understand and you know which way to use, it will actually be very easy.
Except for maybe complicated. Sometimes not because it's hard that you get wrong. Sometimes because complicated you got
Confused.
yes.
Okay, so are you clear of all of these right now?
Yes.
So do you have anything else to say before we end?
Okay, even though some questions they look quite easy, for example, just like this, you may thought it very easy, right?
Well, yeah.
But then when you solve it, it's so complicated but not hard. Okay, so now what you want to say?
Well, remember we actually can have many types of these graphs, right?
Okay.
And we actually can find like all of their area.
Okay.
So shall we end our lesson here? So do you have
Okay.
anything to say?
Okay, if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
So we'll end our lesson here. See you in the next lesson.
Okay.
Thank you for your watching.